Imagine walking into your gaming room, and instead of a massive tower that dominates the space, you slot in something compact, sleek, but powerful. Something that refuses to compromise. Something that says, I'm here to play. I mean business. That's the ROG GR70. Now picture this. You're launching your favorite AAA title, you're streaming with friends, you're editing video, or rendering 3D content. And every time you think this might start to lag, it doesn't. Instead of slowing down, it steps up. That's the GR70, blending elegance and brute force in one machine. When you first lay eyes on it, the size strikes you. Just a tiny frame compared to traditional desktop towers. Yet inside that sleek shell lives the heart of a true performance beast. According to the specs, it's powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 9955HX 3D processor, 16 cores, 32 threads, fused with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU. That combination pushes boundaries. ROG GR70. And it's not just raw numbers. The GR70 also includes Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, up to 5 4K displays, dual HDMI 2.1, dual DisplayPort 2.1, USB 4 with 40 gigabits per second bandwidth. In a world where peripherals can hold you back, this machine steps up so you're never waiting. At ROG+1, let's talk about what that means for you. For gamers, creators, streamers, multitaskers, the GR70 delivers real-world freedom. Want to run your game on one monitor, chat with friends on another, monitor your stream on a third? You can. Want ultra-fast storage and massive memory to fly through content creation tasks? You've got it. Want to upgrade later without ripping the whole rig apart? The GR70 is built for that too. Enable+1. But wanting to pause for a moment on the design. Sometimes we get so caught up in specs we forget how a machine feels. The GR70 sits quietly. The triple fan, quiet flow cooling system keeps things surprisingly calm, even under load. That's a detail that matters. Because when you're deep in gaming or editing, you want immersion, not distraction. At ROG+1, you might ask, okay, great specs, but does it translate into real performance? Let's answer that. Imagine launching a high-fidelity open-world game with ray tracing, DLSS 4-enabled, high refresh rate monitor. The GR70 doesn't just keep up, it pulls ahead. It's the kind of machine where you stop worrying about, can I run it? And instead ask, what's next? Because you have headroom. Big headroom. Now consider creators, video editors, 3D artists, streamers. This device is your stealth workstation. With that Ryzen 9 3DV cache chip, large memory support, dual M.2 SSD bays, high bandwidth I/O, the GR70 ticks every box. No more waiting around for rendering to finish while you're idling out of frustration. And it's built for the future. When you invest in a machine, you want it to last. The GR70's upgrade-friendly design means you won't be replacing the whole rig in a year or two. You can add more RAM, storage, tweak cooling, adapt it to new demands. That's smart. That's coming from a company that understood. Performance today must tie into longevity. But let's talk about the emotional side. Because you're not just buying a box with components. You're buying an experience. When you press the power button and the system springs to life, you want it to feel powerful. You want the fans to hum confidently, the lights to glow subtly, the system to respond instantly. That moment of click, power on go, it matters. The GR70 delivers that moment. And every time you feel it, you know you made the right choice. Now let's address traditional desktop towers for a moment. Massive, loud, power-hungry beasts that hog space and dominate the room. They still have their place. But the GR70 says that era is changing. Compact size, minimal footprint, high performance. Less clutter, less noise, more freedom. You can set it up on a desk without sacrificing space. You can tuck it near your monitor, under your desk, behind your setup, wherever you want. And it still delivers like a tower. Let me be clear. The GR70 isn't perfect. No machine is. But its limitations are minimal in the face of what it accomplishes. For example, extreme overclockers might still prefer full-size towers with custom loops. Some ultra enthusiasts might yearn for even higher-end GPUs. But here's the thing. For 99% of gamers and creators out there, this machine is more than enough. It's future-proof, it's high-end, and it's refined. Now imagine your life with this Mac. Fine. You come home from work. You settle in, turn it on, load up your game. No lag, no feature, no waiting and loading screens. You decide to stream. Your machine handles it effortlessly. Next day you switch to editing footage from your travel vlog. The GR70 handles that too. You're not bouncing between devices. You're using one machine, one ecosystem. That's power. That's efficiency. Another benefit that often gets overlooked: thermal control and acoustics. Many high-performance machines sound like jet engines under load. They get hot. They blow air aggressively. But the GR70's cooling design keeps things manageable. That means less distraction, less noise, more immersion. Whether you're gaming late at night or editing audio tracks, you'll appreciate how the system just stays calm. Let's also talk about connectivity and displays. The fact that this small box can support up to 5 4K monitors, that opens doors. Multi-monitor gaming rigs, multi-window editing workflows, streamer setups with chat/stream/game all visible at once. That kind of flexibility lets your creativity soar. And yes, for the USA audience with big desks, multi-monitor arms, and aesthetic setups, this kind of option matters. Let's paint another scene. You're playing a story-rich title with cinematic graphics. You've enabled ray tracing. You've got high resolution, high refresh, ultra settings. Every explosion, every reflection, every particle detail, it hits you. And there's no compromise. The GR70 delivers it. And in that moment, you stop just playing. You feel the game. Similarly, when you're editing a project, rendering effects, color grading footage, everything flows. No bottleneck, no waiting. You're not frustrated. You're in the zone. Now, for you inside the USA market, you value performance, you value reliability, you value brand support. You value a machine that looks good on your desk, but doesn't require an engineering degree to upgrade. The GR70 ticks those boxes. It stands out not just because it can outperform many tower desktops, but because it packages that performance in a form that's smarter, cleaner, more efficient. And not just that, the aesthetics matter. The design, the craftsmanship, the finish. When you bring this machine home, you feel pride. You feel you're getting more than a tool. You're getting a centerpiece. Now let's shift for a moment into the future. What does investing in the GR70 mean in 2, 3, 5 years? It means you've bought into a platform built for longevity, with upgrade paths, with connectivity modern standards, with cool design, with thermal headroom, with proven performance components. That means when new games drop, when big updates arrive, when creative demands skyrocket, you're ready. You're ahead. So when you ask yourself, should I pick this over a traditional tower? Should I stretch for this before buying a half-size PC? The answer becomes clearer. Yes. If you value space, aesthetic, power, flexibility, this machine makes sense. And when you consider the quality of life improvements, less noise, less footprint, more desk space, it becomes even more compelling. To wrap it up, the ROG GR70 isn't just a small gaming PC or mini tower. It's a statement, a declaration that you don't have to sacrifice performance for compactness, a promise that you can have both power and elegance, a machine that bridges gaming and creation seamlessly, that elevates your experience, that stands with you, whether you're playing, streaming, editing, producing. And most importantly, it makes you feel ready, ready for whatever comes next. If you're watching this and you've been wondering whether to upgrade, whether to invest in something that will last, whether to move beyond the typical bulky desktop, then the GR70 is the answer. Not just for today, but for tomorrow. Because when you fire it up, sit down and press play, you don't want to worry. You want to create, to perform, to immerse. The GR70 gives you that freedom. Thank you for joining me in exploring this machine. If you're excited about it, if you're ready to take your setup to the next level, the ROG GR70 is waiting for you. Now let's go even deeper into what makes the ROG GR70 such an intriguing machine. Because to truly appreciate a device like this, you need to understand not just what it does, but what it feels like to live with it day after day. Think about your daily routine. You wake up, grab your coffee, sit at your setup, and power on your machine. With the GR70, something subtle but powerful happens. It boots quickly, it wakes instantly, and it launches tasks with a level of responsiveness that makes you feel like you're operating a high-precision tool. There's no drag, no hesitation. Everything responds the moment you need it. That responsiveness changes the way you work and play. Suddenly, tasks you used to delay become effortless. That video you didn't want to edit because your old PC stuttered through timeline scrubbing, now it feels smooth, almost enjoyable. That massive open-world game that took forever to load, it's now a seamless experience. And this improvement isn't just technical. It affects your mood, your workflow, your energy. The ROG GR70 gives you back your time. Another thing that stands out about this machine is the balance between power and portability. While it's not a laptop, the GR70 has this inherently compact, adaptable nature. If you ever need to change rooms, reorganize your space, move your desk, or even take your PC to a friend's house for a project or a LAN night, you're not wrestling with a heavy full tower case. You simply unplug, pick it up, and go. The mobility is underrated. And for many people, it's a game changer. The GR70 is also designed with a keen understanding of modern gaming culture. Modern gamers don't just play. They stream, they record, they multitask. They have Discord open, browser tabs running, Spotify playing, maybe OBS capturing everything. And the GR70 is built exactly for that style of multitasking. It doesn't crumble under multitask pressure. It stays composed, steady, reliable, which means you can do more without sacrificing performance. And if you're someone who loves clean setups, cable-managed desks, organized workstations, minimal clutter, then the GR70 becomes even more appealing. Its compact shape fits elegantly anywhere. It doesn't visually dominate your desk. It doesn't demand its own corner of the room. Instead, it blends into your setup while still providing top-tier performance. That's something traditional towers rarely offer. Let's talk about something deeper, something people often underestimate: longevity. Technology moves fast. What's powerful today might fall behind 2 years later. But here's the advantage of the GR70. It uses components that are not only modern right now, but designed with room to grow. Faster storage options, newer memory standards, high bandwidth ports, GPU power that handles current titles with ease. That means you don't buy this system with the fear that it will be outdated too soon. You buy it knowing it carries a level of future insurance. That's peace of mind, and in a world where technology evolves rapidly, peace of mind matters. Let's shift into the emotional experience of gaming on a machine like this. Gaming isn't just about frames per second. It's about immersion. It's about the story, the environments, the sound, the atmosphere. When your hardware can handle everything a game throws at it, the lighting effects, massive textures, physics simulations, the storytelling becomes richer. You lose yourself in it. And when you're fully immersed, gaming transforms from entertainment into experience. That's what the GR70 enables: uninterrupted immersion. Now imagine you're playing a fast-paced shooter where milliseconds matter. A slight stutter can break your flow. A delay can mean losing a match. But with the GR70, those interruptions disappear. Everything feels steady and responsive. You move smoothly. You aim precisely. You perform better, simply because your system isn't holding you back. And it's not just about gaming performance. It's about creative power too. If you're making content for YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Instagram, the GR70 becomes your production machine. Rendering speeds improve. Effects process faster. High-resolution footage becomes easier to cut and export. Instead of waiting for your machine waits for you. You're back in control. What really separates the GR70 from many compact PCs is that it never feels like a compromise. Usually, small form factor PCs force you to choose size or performance. But here you get both. You get a device engineered intelligently. airflow designed to maximize cooling, parts positioned to avoid heat buildup, components selected to deliver power in a compact space without throttling. And because ASUS ROG is behind it, you also get reliability. A brand with history. A brand tested by millions of gamers. A brand known for pushing boundaries. That means when you invest in the GR70, you're not gambling on something untested. You're choosing a machine built with experience, expertise, and performance in mind. Let's go deeper into the idea of identity. Whether you realize it or not, the tech you own becomes part of your personal expression. Some people express themselves through their mechanical keyboard, others through RGB lighting, others through a massive PC case with glass panels. But for the minimalist gamer, the person who loves power but wants a clean, subtle aesthetic, the GR70 becomes part of that identity. It says, I choose performance, but I choose elegance too. I want power, but I want freedom. I play hard, but I work smart. Every time someone walks into your space and sees this compact powerhouse on your desk, there's this moment of curiosity. That tiny thing is your gaming PC, and then they see what it can do. That moment of surprise, that's part of the experience. That's part of the fun. Let's talk about something incredibly important: efficiency. The GR70 draws less power than full-tower PCs, but delivers comparable performance. That means lower electricity bills, less heat in your room, and a more eco-friendly setup. It's practical, smart, and cost-effective over time. And speaking of heat, cooling is one of the biggest concerns with compact systems. But the GR70's cooling design wasn't an afterthought. It was engineered with purpose. The triple fan system, directed airflow, intelligent heat spreaders, all of it works together to ensure sustained performance. You get stable temperatures even during long gaming sessions or heavy editing workloads. You get consistency. And consistency is something only top-tier machines provide. Let's imagine another scenario. It's midnight. The room is dark. You've dimmed your lights. You're wearing your headphones. You're deep into a story-driven, single-player game. The subtle glow of your monitor lights your room. Everything is quiet except the soundscape of your game. The last thing you want at that moment is a loud PC breaking the atmosphere. And that's why the GR70 shines. Quiet cooling means your immersion stays intact. You stay inside the story. You stay focused. No distractions. Only the game. Another important point is how the GR70 fits perfectly into the modern lifestyle. Many people work from home, game at night, create content on weekends. One device needs to handle it all. It needs to be your workstation at 10 a.m., your gaming PC at 8 p.m., and your content machine at midnight. The GR70 is built for exactly that hybrid life. If you're a student, it's the perfect dorm-friendly powerhouse. If you're a professional, it's the ideal compact workstation. If you're a gamer, it's your performance engine. If you're a creator, it's your tool of expression. It adapts to you. Now think about upgrades. Many compact PCs are nearly impossible to upgrade, but the GR70 is different. You can expand your storage. You can add memory. You can extend its capabilities as your needs grow. It's not locked. It's not sealed. It's designed to evolve. That means this machine isn't just a purchase. It's an investment. As we continue exploring what the GR70 brings to your life, remember that technology isn't just about specs. It's about how it shapes your day, how it frees you, how it inspires you, how it empowers you to do more. And the ROG GR70 is one of those rare devices that give you more than you expect.